Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Through Story. I am your storyteller. Today, we have a simple and happy story for you. This story is Level A1. It is for beginners. The name of the story is Tom's Perfect Sunday. Are you ready? Let's learn together. Before we start, let's look at 5 important words. Listen and look at the book. Neighbor. Definition: a person who lives near your house. Market. Definition: a place where people go to buy food. Vegetables. Definition: healthy food from plants. Examples: carrots, onions, potatoes. Delicious. Definition: tasting very good, yummy. Quiet. Definition: no noise, not loud. Now we are ready. Let's start the story. Part 1. The slow morning. It is Sunday morning. The sun comes up at 7 a.m. The sky is blue. There are no clouds. Tom is in his bed. The bed is warm and soft. Tom opens his eyes slowly. He looks at the clock. Oh, it is 8 o'clock, Tom says. He smiles. He does not need to rush. He does not go to the office today. Tom sits up in bed. He stretches his arms. He stands up and walks to the window. He opens the curtains. The light comes into the room. He sees his garden outside. It is a green and beautiful garden. Tom goes to the bathroom. He washes his face with cool water. It feels fresh. He brushes his teeth. Up and down. Left and right. He looks in the mirror. He fixes his hair. Now, he is ready for the day. Tom walks to the kitchen. He wears a comfortable t-shirt and shorts. The kitchen is quiet. Tom is hungry. His stomach makes a noise. He wants coffee and breakfast. He takes a kettle. He puts water in the kettle. He turns it on. He waits for the hot water. He puts coffee powder in a cup. He pours the hot water. The smell of coffee fills the kitchen. Smells good, Tom thinks. He cooks 2 eggs. He toasts 2 slices of bread. He puts butter on the bread. He puts the eggs and bread on a white plate. He carries his food to the garden. He sits on a wooden chair. The birds are singing in the trees. Tom eats his breakfast slowly. The toast is crispy. The coffee is hot. He is very happy. It is a perfect start. Part 2. Going to the market. It is 11 a.m. Tom finishes his book. He needs food for dinner. He stands up and goes inside the house. He takes his wallet and a shopping bag. He puts on his shoes. Tom walks out of his house. He walks on the street. The street is sunny. He sees a woman. It is Mrs. Green. She is his neighbor. She lives in the blue house. "Good morning, Mrs. Green," says Tom. "Good morning, Tom." "It is a nice day," says Mrs. Green. "Yes, it is very sunny," Tom answers. They smile and wave goodbye. Tom walks to the market. The market is near his house. It takes 10 minutes to walk there. The market is busy. There are many people. There are many smells. Smells of fruit, bread, and flowers. Tom goes to the fruit stall. He sees red apples and yellow bananas. He buys 3 red apples. He goes to the vegetable stall. He sees green vegetables. He buys carrots, potatoes, and onions. He wants to make soup for dinner. Next, Tom goes to the bakery. He buys fresh bread. The bread is still warm. He puts everything in his bag. Now, his bag is heavy. Tom is hot, but he is happy. He walks back home. Part 3. A relaxing evening. Tom arrives home at 12:30 p.m. He puts the food in the kitchen. He drinks a big glass of water. He is thirsty. In the afternoon, Tom relaxes. He listens to music. He likes piano music. It is very quiet and peaceful. He cleans his living room a little bit. Then, he calls his mother on the phone. They talk for 30 minutes. They talk about family and work. Now, the sun goes down. The sky becomes orange and purple. It is 6 p.m. It is dinner time. Tom goes to the kitchen again. He cuts the vegetables. Chop, chop, chop. He puts the potatoes, carrots, and onions in a pot. He adds water and salt. He cooks the soup for 1 hour. Tom sits at the table. He eats his vegetable soup with the fresh bread. It tastes very good. It is delicious. The soup is hot and healthy. After dinner, Tom washes the dishes. He dries the plate and the pot. The kitchen is clean again. It is 9 p.m. The house is dark. Tom turns off the lights. He is tired now. It was a good day. He goes to his bedroom. He changes his clothes. He puts on his pajamas. He gets into his bed. He closes his eyes. The room is silent. "Good night," Tom whispers. He falls asleep quickly. Good job, everyone. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time. Goodbye.